I actually got two books that came directly from my experience as a teacher of English as a second language. When I first would meet a new classroom of students, they were often newly arrived in the United States. My class would be one of the first ones they would take, English as a second language, and they were often really nervous. As an icebreaker, I used to ask them about animal noises in their language. So, in English, what does a dog say? Bow wow or arf arf. But dogs all over the world don't say that. And I learned, for example, that in Korea, a dog says mung mung. And when I take it into schools, I'll say, you know, in this country, I'll say, does a dog say mung mung? And these kids will all go, no. And I'll say, well, what about this? Mung mung, mung mung. In Russia, a dog says gav gav. And I learned that there's these wonderful animal noises all over the world that people make. So I have a book called Mung Mung, which is a guessing game book of animal noises around the world.